Hi friends, welcome to A to Z All-in-One Telugu True. Dear viewers, in this video I am going to share with you all some GK. This is part 16. Feel this like a quiz program. Okay, you
Volume
are
controls hidden.
participating in quiz program. I will tell one question. After that, I will give you chance to say the answer for that question. In the gap, try to say answer for any question in the gap. Let's begin our today video. 1. PCI. Answer for this question is Press Council of India. 2. PCS. Try to say answer for this question. Answer for this question is Provincial Civil Services. 3. PH. Answer for this question is Doctor of Philosophy. 4. PIN. 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 Try to say answer for this question. Answer for this question is Postal Index Number. 5. PLO. Try to say answer for this question. Answer for this question is Palestine Liberation Organization. 6. PM. Try to say answer for this question. Answer for this question is Post Meridian or Prime Minister. 7. PSLV. Try to say answer for this question. Answer for this question is Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. 8. PTI. Try to say answer for this question. The answer is Press Trust of India. 9. Pro. Try to say answer for this question. Answer for this question is Public Relations Officers. 10. PTO. Try to say answer for this question in this gap. Answer for this question is Please turn over. 11. PWD. Answer for this question is Public Works Department. 12th. PWG. Try to say answer for this question in this gap. Answer for this question is People's Work Groups. 13th. RAW, Ra. Try to say answer for this question. Answer, research and analysis wing. 14th one, RBI. Answer for this question is Reserve Bank of India. 15, RIMC. Try to say answer for this question. Answer for this question is Rashtriya Indian Military College. 16th one, RLEGP. Answer for this question is Rural Landless Employment Guarantee Program. 17, RNA. Answer for this question is ribonucleic acid. 18, RTO. Try to say answer for this question in the gap. Answer for this question is Regional Transport Officer. 19, SAARC. Answer for this question is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. 20, SAC. Answer for this question is Space Application Center. 21, SAFTA. SAFTA. Try to say answer for this question in the gap. Answer for this question is South Asian Free Trade Agreement. 22, SAI. Answer for this question is Sports Authority of India. 23, SAIL. SAIL. Answer for this question is Steel Authority of India Limited. 24, SAFTA. 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 Answer for this question is South Asian South Asian Preferential Trade Arrangement. Sorry for the delay. There is some mistake. I covered it. Okay. 25, SC. Answer for this question is Security Council or Supreme Court. Okay, SC means Security of Council or Supreme Court. 24th question, some delay, okay, because there is one mistake I covered. Okay,